Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Death by Chocolate tart. Let's begin. So this tart is a no bake, so grab yourself a food processor and place in your biscuits, blitz them down to a fine crumb, then go ahead and add in the butter. Add in the butter and mix that again or pulse it until everything goes to the same consistency as wet sand, and that's generally what you're looking for in this recipe. Once you've got that, you can then take this, and this is your base and pastry case ultimately. So place this into your tart tin and just spread on over it out, but you want to also compress it down so it all becomes compact, and you'll want to chill it for a little bit before we finish it off. So just take your time and get a generous crust. It is quite a thick crust, but it really works really well with this kind of recipe. Trust me, I've made it a few times and I really enjoy this. Here's what it looks like. Place into the fridge and chill it down before you continue to use it. You can then go ahead and add in your Nutella, which has been warmed slightly to make it easier to spread. Just get as much of that in there from the bowl or from the jar directly as you possibly can, and just spread and level it out to make it a more consistent layer and level. Then I have some of these roasted chopped hazelnuts, and I'm just going to sprinkle over a generous amount just to enhance that hazelnut flavour, but feel free to leave these out if you don't want to use them. And here is what the tart looks like. I'm going to place that back into the fridge while I make the ganache. So to make the ganache, place your cream into a bowl along with the liquid glucose, and then microwave this for around 1.5 to 2 minutes on full power or full heat, or until the cream has become hot. Mix that together and it should be a lot more liquid and fluid. Then add in your dark chocolate chips, just dunk them under, submerge them, then let it sit for around a minute, and after a minute you start giving it all a good whisk. It should start to become a ganache by just whisking it like this. Once you have a clear and shiny ganache, you're good to go. You will then want to add in your butter and mix this in until it's fully incorporated. Once it's incorporated, you can give the bowl a good scraping down and just incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in. Take your tart from the fridge and top it with the chocolate ganache. Spread and level it as best as you possibly can, but try not to get over the sides and try and keep it as round as possible. Here's what mine looks like once it was done. I then take some of these Oreo crumbs, which are just Oreos that have been blitzed up in the food processor, and scatter them all over the top. I wanted it to look a bit like soil or dirt, so that's what I went for, and here is it up close. It's a lot of chocolate, so this is definitely one for the chocolate lovers. Then you can go ahead, and I just got some of these gummy eye candies and I placed them in like for 1 per portion, so this tart will serve 8 people very well. And I know they're a little bit gory looking, but hey, they work really well, and it is Halloween, so here's your spooky eye tart. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and a link to all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.